Hybrid work is here to stay, and remote teams find it difficult to collaborate with those that are still in the office, especially for companies that are heavy whiteboard users. You can't exactly see what's written on the whiteboard while in a video meeting. You can't participate with what's being written on the board, and once someone takes a photo on their phone, the content's probably lost forever. Now, not everyone can afford an expensive digital whiteboard, and that's where JIBB comes in. What JIBB does, it turns any device, including your Cisco Room Kit, into an artificial eye that automatically detects your writing surface and digitizes it in real time. You can share your digital whiteboard within WebEx or any video conferencing platform of your choice. Remote team members can annotate over the digital workspace and participate live. If you thought that was cool, JIBB also uses AI to automatically capture key moments within the meeting and emails you a PDF so you'll never miss a brilliant idea ever again. So now you know why JIBB solves the problem and you know what it does. Let's go over how you use it. So in this example, I'm using a Cisco Room Kit Plus and we're already in a WebEx meeting. To get started, all you need to do is press JIBB and it'll automatically snap to your room's whiteboard preset. So it doesn't matter what the bar was being used for previously, it'll automatically go to your whiteboard. To start the session, all you need is to press start. Once it starts up, it'll digitize everything that you've written and you can write in black or in color. Now, you've seen that it's now popped up on the screen. Now to share this in your WebEx meeting, all you need to do is go and you'll slide across to the end here and just share it in your call. Now, all the meeting room participants can see your whiteboard clearly. It doesn't matter what angle your whiteboard is, JIBB will automatically fix the perspective for you. Now, right now, I'm standing in front of the whiteboard, and typically in a meeting, you won't be able to see that, but JIBB remembers what you've already written, and it doesn't distort your content. To start annotating, all you need to do is scan the QR code in the top left of the screen. Our friendly meeting participant is just scanning the QR code now. You'll be able to join instantly without any sign up or hassle. And in a moment, you'll be able to see that he's able to draw over a digital workspace. And once everything's done, you can clear your annotation so you have a clean whiteboard. Once you've wrapped up your meeting, all you need to do is come back and click JIBB and end the session. And JIBB will automatically send a PDF file of the meeting to your email address. Now, if you want to send it to a different email address, before the meeting starts, go to edit email and change the address, and that way it'll be sent to a different address. So the session's finished. Now I'm just going to go to my email address so you can see what it looks like as the PDF file. So I'll go here, I'll open this and open the PDF file. And as you can see, JIBB has saved each key moment from the session. Now, if you thought this demo was exciting, you can sign up now for 3 months with an 85% discount. To learn more, go to www.jibb.ai or email sales@jibb.ai.